Today I'm going to show you how you can speed up your PC up to 200%. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean up our disk, right? So from the search bar here, you want to type in run. Now on run, you want to go to clean mkr. Just type that in, clean mkr. Just click on OK. Now select on the drive you want to clean. So for my case, I want to clean my main drive, which is A/C. It's the place where I have my window files stored. Just click on OK. Now you can see it'll calculating all of the files that's temporary and things that we don't need that's slowing down and bogging down our PC files. So let's just wait for that to calculate. Now, once it's done calculating, you'll see that there's a couple of temporary files that we can be able to delete, right? Like there's thumbnails, there's temporary internet files, and downloaded program files that's bogging down our PC performance. You can also delete other temporary files here, like your recycle bin, your delivery optimization file, your other temporary files, and all of these. Once you pick and choose all of these temporary files, just click OK, and it'll clean up all of your files, right? But besides that, you can also do something else to make sure that your PC is even more faster. Now, let's not rule out the possibility that your PC might at some point be infected with a malware or a virus, in which case it'll slow down your PC even more, especially if it's a type that installs a crypto miner on your PC, which takes up a lot of resources, right? So the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna fix or we're gonna install something. I do recommend this program called Malwarebytes. Now on Malwarebytes, you just have to click on free download here to download the file. Just click on free download just like this. And then just let it download. For example, if it didn't download, just click here. But you can see it's downloaded. Just install that. Once you have it installed, just open it. I already have it installed on my PC like this. Now, once it's installed, you just want to run a quick scan just to make sure there isn't anything malicious on your computer, anything that you don't want, any virus, any malware. Make sure it doesn't have that. So you can see, for me, my protection score is pretty poor because I haven't done a scan in a long while. But once you open it, just click on scan like this, and it'll scan your PC. And if it found something, it'll automatically quarantine it and to make your PC faster. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.